Seriously? I'm wearing this for my homies. Like, who locked up guac? That's crazy. Hey y'all, it's Danielle and welcome to Let's Talk Food, where we talk about food, eat bomb food, and talk about whatever else is on my mind. So I have a special guest. All of my guests are special today. Her name is Mariah. She goes as Gambeaux. She's a singer, songwriter, actress. She's just a dope individual altogether. So here's Mariah. So first of all, Mariah, I just want to thank you for being here. I'm so grateful. This girl traveled to see me. I met her at Temple. We met in college. But it's just so funny because I remember talking to you one time, coming to find out we went to the same acting school.
Yes, I remember that.
Yes!
John Robert Powers.
Yes, John Robert Powers. We don't really got to talk about him, but we went to the same acting school. So it's just so crazy how the dots to everything just always comes together. Everything works together for good. Oh. So yeah, I want to kind of get into what we're making right now. But before we do that, I want you to guess. Looking at the ingredients here, what are we making? Tell the people what we're making. Hold on, I'm gonna get one more ingredient, and we'll see.
And maybe I can guess it better. We got salt nachos.
Yes, we are. Yes. So, when you eat to balance out your chakras, what you're doing is making sure you're getting every color. So that's what we're doing right now. Like, you have every color in this meal. So for the ultimate vegan nachos, we have chia and quinoa tortilla chips. So dope. I like to, anytime I'm eating tortilla chips, find ones that are made out of something different. So first, we're going to saute 2 garlic cloves and mince them up, 1 chopped onion, 1 can of black beans drained, with some black pepper, pink Himalayan salt, and oregano. The rest of the ingredients will be all raw veggies that we'll just be chopping up and piling on top, really taking in all the live nutrients. So we have some tomato, beautiful tomato, yellow squash, purple cabbage, 1 bunch of spinach, my jerk barbecue sauce that I've made from scratch, my vegan cheese sauce that I've also made from scratch. If you want that recipe for my cheese sauce, you have to watch episode 3 where we make my vegan bacon mac and cheese. 1 long hot red pepper. It's funny because when I first got this pepper, it was green and it changed color on me and I love it. We have some avocado so I can mash it up and make some quick guac, some basil and cilantro so we can top it all with some herbs. You are a singer, a songwriter, and an actress, but you're pursuing a degree right now. What is your degree in?
My degree is in theater.
So where do you want to, what is your biggest goal? Do you have one yet, or are you kind of just living free?
Like a personal goal or like a career goal?
Let's say your best life as an adult. What would you be doing? What does that look like? Give me a vision. Because you have so many talents. Can you even see yourself really? What do you see yourself doing? Because when I look at you, I see somebody who's just going to be, you know what, you tell me first, and I'll tell you what I see.
Alright, facts. I see myself just kind of having my own creative workplace studio, maybe a building, maybe a room that I can go to every day and do work and be able to support myself and my family off of that. My best life would just be not working for anyone else but myself.
Right.
And just being able to like record in one corner and have a canvas in another corner, draw in another corner.
So
have
you
a
draw
mirror.
too?
Yeah, just a little bit. It's not
overall
no,
creative.
Not,
oh my gosh.
don't
Listen,
get-
if
don't
she
get
can,
it.
if she's saying, oh, you know, I can draw a little, that means she can draw. Okay.
It's a little bit of a struggle,
Yo,
but-
that's so beautiful to me. That is so beautiful. So basically, what you see your future self being, you know, I like the fact that you didn't tell me a title because creatives aren't supposed to be put in a title. I asked you that as a trick question. We're not supposed to be put in a box. We're just supposed to be free. And what you explained just now was you want a space to be free. That's exactly what she wants, and you're gonna get it.
Exactly.
You're gonna get it.
And the space to not feel judged, because as artists, like right now, you're using this YouTube channel to put it online for people to judge it, analyze it, look at it on a very large platform. And as an artist, period, whether you're singing, you're acting, you're DJing, with whatever you do, it's literally being put on like your biggest fears and maybe insecurities being put on a platform.
Absolutely. And you have to me, just what has helped me, and I believe you can co-sign, what has helped me kind of ignore those fears is just having faith. And just going in with the intention that I'm going to inspire millions with whatever I do, whatever I choose to do, whatever blessings I have. I'm going to take those blessings. I'm going to put a bow around them. Like, God, I hear you, feel me? I see you. You allowed me to have these here. So we have some black beans in here.
Yeah, I was about to
Black beans in here.
Bro,
yes.
like Birdman.
Onions,
No.
garlic, oregano. I put the oregano. Crushed red peppers, black pepper. I think I put a little bit of salt in there, pink Himalayan salt. And we're just gonna let this simmer a little bit. While this is simmering though, take some spinach and just chop it up. What I love about this meal is the fact that it's one of those junk food meals that actually is good for you.
Yeah,
like it's filled with nutrients. Like, what?
Exactly.
This is amazing. Like, this is fresh spinach. We have black beans from the can. A lot of people have some misconceptions when it comes to beans. They feel when it's in the can, it's not as good as dried. They are both equally nutritious. I don't judge. Okay.
Oh, really? Because that's like how I make red beans and rice, just straight out the can.
Yeah. It doesn't really matter. And honestly, it's way less time consuming. Like, this video isn't for the people who have all the time in the world. This is for the people who are on a budget or don't have much time to be making nachos, you know? Do you smell that?
So good.
Hey,
No,
yes.
like really, honestly.
It's the oregano. Oregano is one of my favorite seasonings. It smells so good.
Growing up, my mom did not cook at all.
Really?
And like, shout out to my mom. I love her so much, but she's just not good at it. So I kind of just am learning along the way, and also just learning from like chefs like you that post what you do.
Mm-hmm.
I want to know, and I watch a lot of food documentaries.
Oh, me too, girl.
Which ones? Which is your favorite? Because
honestly, you said what's your favorite? Oh, I don't know if I have a favorite, but what I can tell you what I watched like yesterday.
Yeah.
Super random. I watched a video on ramen noodles and like where they came from and like all that, the history of ramen noodles, and it was actually really interesting. Like, I did not like expect to watch the whole thing, but it was pretty cool. It's on Netflix. Check it out. It's called The Mind of a Chef.
Oh, I saw that.
Yeah, Mind of a Chef.
It was recommended for me because I just watched Ugly Delicious.
I'm dead. What did you just watch?
Ugly Delicious.
Oh, I saw that one too.
Yeah.
That's so funny. So you really be watching it. You really trying to learn. So you right where you need to be.
Truly, honestly.
Alignment. I love it. I think we're gonna do it. Yo, these tomatoes, son, beautiful. Look at this.
Heat still at the
Yeah,
same.
we can turn this off actually. This tomato is just, oh my gosh.
And then when you just look at it on the inside, it's literally just symmetry,
yes,
art,
the
repetition.
Absolutely, and I'm glad you brought that up because this, you honestly, you can still see it with this tomato. It resembles, I want to just, like a spinach in my nails. I want to really just emphasize the fact that fruits and vegetables, a lot of them resemble parts of our body. Yes. What does this look like? This looks like human lungs to me.
That's what I was going to say.
Look at that. This is incredible. I mean, this side is a little bit, but it looks like it has a heartbeat. It just, look at that.
Yes.
It's fruits and vegetables are so feminine
and
too.
And even in that, like, that's a spine down the middle, or just veins.
Yes. And why wouldn't you want to eat this? God created this.
Exactly.
It's perfectly symmetrical.
Yes.
Oh my gosh.
And then just the complementary colors.
Yes, Mother Nature is just incredible.
Oh, it is lit. Oh.
Some fresh herbs.
And the contrast of the plating, like everything I have watched in these documentaries just came to life right here.
We're done. Vegan nachos. This is almost taller than me. I'm 5'1". Are you kidding me?
Exactly.
This is free guac, son. Free guac.
Free him.
Free him. Free my son.
Did nothing wrong.
Did
but
nothing
he good
wrong.
To the people.
Oh my gosh.
Look how good he looks. Enter it into my body.
No. Yes.
This is so good.
Yes.
You can't see me because I'm still chewing, but like.
So at the end of every episode, we take a Polaroid picture. So I just want to thank you again for being here, and thank you guys for watching. So
yes,
quick Polaroid.
Yes,
Yes, say vegan cheese.
Vegan cheese.